Okay, good morning. So you see that right there, it says RSI Goutoma, and I think that that street, there's another one right there too. So there's two of these, and I think that that's maybe the name of the street. But we're gonna go down that little alley. It's kind of, it's nicer than this one, which has more traffic. But that one is actually blocked off to traffic in the nighttime, and it's quite lively in the evening. But right now it's actually kind of nice too, because the sun is kind of low and it's about 9 in the morning. So we're gonna go down that road right there. Okay, so that's gonna be our goal right there. There's some runners out here as well. Let's try to head on across. And then yeah, there's this. So I think this is the name of the street as well. So there's this one, and then there's this one too. Jalan, Goutoma. So we're gonna head down this one and check it all out. These are some of the shops that are here. The lighting isn't great, but actually we'll try to catch some of this detail as well before we go down our target street. Okay, so let's head on down. So Jalan Goutoma. And yeah, pretty soon this thing will be all filled up. So at nighttime, there's pretty much every seat here is taken. Actually all the way down the street. So I don't know what's better, to film it now or at that time, but might film it on both. But what I like about right now is that I can do more detail, because you know, when there's a lot of people around, it gets crowded. You kind of get bounced around a little bit, navigating, things like that. Plus I can get more detail. So this one's kind of interesting right here, Zen Aura. Opening time. Huh, so this is actually at 10 p. midnight to 10 p.m. Okay, noon to 10 p.m. That sounds about right. It was pretty busy last night, and then things started to shut down a little bit as well, so I started feeling like there might be a I thought things might close around 10 or so. No parking along the street. Goutoma. This one has a superfood inside. Bali Brothers. Lots of tour guide stuff everywhere. There's so much detail here. Massage shops, more travel stuff. Seeds of life. Ashtanga yoga. Okay. So there is a lot of different stuff you could do from here as well. Lemongrass shop. This one is like some kind of churros, but it's Spanish, but it's closed at the morning. It's too early. So actually that makes it kind of a good time to film, and maybe not. You can't see the details of everything. Taxi service. So if you're in Ubud, and we're in Ubud, then it's about that's the prices to go somewhere. 300. What's that? $20 or something like that, maybe. I do like these ones that are upstairs like that. There's some restaurants all throughout here that have stuff like that, and you get up on the second, third story. It's kind of nice views. And actually, I've been living in Asia for a long time, so you know, sometimes I want to get higher, but then you can't really see anything. But I feel like things that are about the second story, you can view things easily. It's kind of nice just watching the you know, just what's going on from a view like that. Okay, So we'll go down maybe about, I don't want to be more than 10 minutes, so we'll just film, but I think the ending is we'll just film at the end of the street, probably just a few more minutes. Yeah, I kind of like this stuff too right here. So there's a lot of stuff you can sit and just kind of view the people walking by. This is a pretty great example for that. Get a nice seat right there. Yeah, Bali, actually this one on the map, I kind of thought I wanted to be right here because it seemed like the most central spot. But it's a little bit too busy, and I feel like at nighttime it's too busy. I feel like I could be just about anywhere because Bali is really, Ubud is really nice pretty much everywhere you go. Luxury designer bags. It's a lot of designer stuff throughout Bali. There's a place you can sit at the window. Nasi kuning. Let's see if I can get by there. Parking right there. A lot of traffic trying to go through, so it's hard to. I think that's why it's blocked. I think from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. I believe it's blocked from traffic. Fast design. We got some alleys. So, okay. And then we're going to be ending shortly. That's kind of cool. So this is kind of the main Goutoma street. Have all the restaurants lined up right there. It's kind of a nice street because they were able to probably lobby, I guess, to have a block at a certain time of the day, in the evening. Plus they got all the places listed, so before you even go up or down the street you can kind of know what you're getting into. And now we're at kind of the main street. We're going to try to get across this one if we can. Yeah, a lot of traffic coming down this street right here. We're going to stick across right here. And we're going to continue up this street in a moment. But before we even go up, I think it's still the same street, Goutoma. But I think that particular one is kind of the main one right there. I mean, that one is, then that street goes down to, I did film this the other day. That kind of gets like a more rural part, sort of. I mean, there's businesses all along the way, but just the beauty of it kind of goes downhill a little bit. Okay. Golden monkey. Yeah, actually this street right here I haven't focused on. Get some breakfast. Probably should get breakfast. Yeah, this is real nice though. We're all born mad, some remain so. Vagabond Ubud. Okay. There's a spa warung, food spas. These are fresh food, not fast food. Kind of a cool sign. Banana Lee Wudra. Really peaceful street. Actually looks like they got a little loft up there too. Okay, so we are going to head down a little bit further, see what other shops are around. All the way down to the ending here. Actually, I think I saw this artwork. There was another artwork that was kind of similar, unique t-shirt. 300K. I think there's a lot of artists here. So there's some other artwork that I saw that looked kind of similar as well to that particular one. We got a ramen one here. Let's see, and we got water scooter. So we're gonna come up to the ending here and just kind of see where we can come out to. Taste of taxi. That's a spa. 11 a.m. There's a lot of spas here too. It's also a restaurant as well. Okay. So this is going to be the end of our Goutoma, Jalan. All right.